Hello everyone, my name is Chef Jyoti and I'm back with the new recipe of the week with Chef Magic. Monsoon has truly arrived across the country. When it's raining, who doesn't need a warm, comforting, healthy food at your home? So let's check out what is the new monsoon recipe of the week. My Wonderchef app is well connected to the Wi-Fi. Go to Cloud Recipes, click New tab, and that's the new recipe, boiled brown rice and tomato rassam. Click boiled rice. Here's the description and the ingredients. Let's make it. And then we go to the tomato rassam, the description and the ingredients. Let's make the tray ready. So today we are preparing a warm and soothing dish perfectly for this rainy season. Tomato rassam perfectly paired with nutritious brown rice. So let's get started. We'll start with making brown rice. As the first step says, we have to soak the rice for 30 minutes at least. So in the next step, we'll start cooking the rice by adding some water. We have to attach the saute blade. I've already done it. Let's add water. 750 grams of water and let it boil. After the water is boiled, let's add rice. The step is over, the rice is cooked. Let's strain it and keep it aside. Let's start with tomato rassam. In the first step, we'll attach the multifunction blade. The multifunction blade is already attached. We'll add cumin and black peppercorns. As you can see, the black peppercorns and cumins are properly crushed. Let's add the ingredients. I'll add 5 to 6 of garlics, 1 green chili and few curry leaves. As you can see, the chopping is done perfectly. Let's keep this aside. In the same jar, I'll add tomatoes and the ingredients. 2 garlic cloves, 1 green chili, add 350 grams of water. Tomato rassam is not only eaten during you are sick, but also you can add it to your diet because of its nutritious value. The tomato based rassam is ready. Now let's keep it aside and prepare for the tadka. Let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. As the oil is heated up, let's add mustard seeds. Let's add red chilies, half teaspoon of turmeric and the garlic mixture. As the tadka is ready, I'll add the tomato rassam base. 1/4 teaspoon of hing, which is asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of salt, tamarind pulp and add 250 grams of water. It's smelling amazing. As you can see, the rassam is ready and we can serve it with brown rice. Let's serve this.